So in this video, we're going to be looking again at Kling AI, and as we come to the conclusion of this video series now, reviewing all different aspects of Kling AI, I'm going to look specifically now at its AI image capabilities and how good it actually is compared to its competition. So again, now I've got 8 images that I'm going to be testing. They're going to be a wide variety, testing its capabilities with different subjects, some realistic, some funny, and some differentiating in tone altogether. And we are going to go straight on to the Kling website, which you can see is right here, and I'm sure you know it by now after watching my videos. And then we're going to come down to AI images, and you're going to see you come up to the window here, and we are going to have text to image, and this is where you put your prompt, and then the settings quite simply here, what aspect ratio you actually want. And then again up here, like you do with the AI video, depending which model you want to use, you have the old one, which is the 1.0 model, or now the new 1.5 model. So here now you can see I've got the different prompts, and I will go through them pretty fast. I'm not going to spend all of the time reading them out aloud, so again you can pause the video, read through them, and you'll get a feel for it, so I will skim over it. But for this one here, Darth Vader, and this is Darth Vader in a cyberpunk cityscape. So again, Darth Vader standing on the edge of a towering neon light skyscraper, flying cars, dramatic moody lighting highlights Vader's iconic helmet, and cinematic, hyper-detailed 8K resolution, photorealistic style. So let's generate it. Costs 4 credits and see what it does. Now this is interesting. So if we click on it, it looks a little bit cartoony, a little bit, but interesting. I have no idea what's going on here. This one is awful because it's got no hands. So again, this one, he looks, wow, like he's gone on a little bit of a opposite of a diet, let's say that. But I think out of all of them, the first one looks the best proportioned. And what you can actually do with these as well, which is actually pretty good, you can upscale them and then you can bring to life. So this basically means you take the image and then you prompt it to turn it to an image to video. So for example, let's just do it with this one. It will open up a separate page and you can have a start and an end image, which I've described in previous videos. But here we can just say Darth Vader looking slowly into the distance, and we can just keep it like that. I think we'll do professional mode, use the new 1.6 model, and that will take about 4 minutes. So whilst we are doing that, we'll check this at the end of the video. We now have the next one. Now this hasn't come out at all, what I was sort of asking for, but Thanos, well, Thanos, I guess, yeah, Thanos armored. I need to be more descriptive by saying Thanos out of the Avengers and all that sort of good stuff, but armored in forged medieval plates and towering storm clouds, unleashing lightning, and then knights wave tattered banners in the wind. What is it doing with this morphing of like you're half swimming in mud or something? That's a good shot. Again, no, but the people look like they're walking in mud. Good image to an extent, but just, yeah, don't know. Not feeling that one. A lifelike medieval reimagining of Homer Simpson, clad in weathered steel armor. This one has come out pretty decent. I think the finger's a little bit funky, but no, yeah, they're cartoon characters, so they only have the 3, so that's pretty good. Then we have this guy, no idea. Not Homer Simpson. Not really Homer Simpson either. So let's also see what happens if we turn this one into a video. Okay, now this one was an interesting one because this was a tranquil, otherworldly underwater realm where jellyfish drift like luminous chandeliers glowing softly in a turquoise lavender hues. I think it's not a bad image. I think it's nice. I don't really think it's got schools of fish, and it looks again a little bit, I don't know, cartoony, grainy. Nice colour on the reef there, or the coral even. I like this one, looks more colour. I don't know, I like the colour more here with it hitting the jellyfish as well. And this one I don't like as much, just looks weird. The statue there a little bit looks out of place. And the other one didn't generate. Ultra modern spaceport of an alien planet bustling with exotic travellers lining up to board sleek interstellar vessels. It's actually not bad. I don't really think there's lines of people that look more randomly scattered than anything else. This one I like the details more, actually has spaceships as well. This one just looks, I don't really know. Nice draw distance though, I like the clouds in the background. This one here, I like the colour more, a little bit dull, like I don't know, a little bit more saturation I guess. But not bad, not bad, more cues of people. Then we have this one. Now this actually looks more like a spaceport, I guess. I guess these could be rockets. Like the distance, like the details, and it looks a lot more lively. So not bad. And then this one, meh, it's okay. Now this one was the Colossal Steampunk Airship. So actually a very nice image looking at it. I was just trying to take it in, just weird, but yeah, funky. That one looks looks weird here. What's got going on down here, I'm not too sure. This one here looks nice. And then this one looks a little bit weird with the cloud there, I guess, on the top. I'm not really sure what's going on there. But to be honest, out of all of them, I actually think the first one's my favorite. I like the details. I like the way it is designed. And it's overall really nice and consistent. I think this is a dystopian. That's it, a desolate city overrun by nature, where vines and wild greenery creep over collapsed buildings. Definitely a haunting atmosphere. Looks like something out of Fallout or something. This one's actually a nice image. I don't mind that. This one I actually really do like. It looks a little bit strange, but it's what I asked for, so I got what I asked for on this. But it looks very daunting, very haunting, and that's actually a very nice image. I do like that. Also nice, but showing the back. And this one looks a little bit disfigured. So again, really, I'm going to go for the first one as my favorite. And then finally, we have a mist-shrouded forest illuminated by soft rays of sunlight breaking through ancient treetops. So again, this one actually has come up very well. Very nice. Like the colors, looks quite realistic. Like the mushrooms as well. It's making me quite hungry. Though I do like on the second image, it has more color underneath there. It looks a little bit more lively. I like the reflection of the sunlight hitting the water here. That just looks strange with this here. It looks like it's a pregnant mushroom, if that's a thing. But nice sunlight, and I like the way it's hit the water here again. And then this one, not bad, but a little bit more boring with the, I don't know, not feeling that. I think this one with the light coming through, I like the way it hits here and the mushrooms going through. And then also this, though it's a little bit more dull, but I do like the light still and the way it looks. Now we should be able to see if the videos have come to life from the images we created. That's actually pretty cool. I like the way it's very consistent. This is strange at the end with the eyes, but like the consistency up until here of the eyes. That's the only bit I don't like. But nice consistency, nice rain, background. It does bring it to life very, very well. Like the way consistent, picks it up, moves it around. The sword does a little bit of a strange warp or whatever there slightly, but very good consistency. Okay, this is beautiful. I will say Kling does have the best ability that I've seen of bringing the images to life after. Wow. So smooth, very consistent. I'm very impressed. So this pretty much now brings it to a close for this video series of reviewing Kling AI, which I started back from Black Friday and I'm finishing now at the beginning of the new year in January. And I have really enjoyed playing around with it, testing it, and really getting to know it in a lot of different ways. There are still a few things that I want to play around with, which are the motion brush tool and the lip sync format, which I haven't properly got around to trying out yet, or I haven't used it enough to really want to make a video about it. Overall, I think Kling is really, really good, specifically with the images. The images are interesting. I think is a little bit inconsistent. I like the way that it actually allows you to create different characters from, again, Darth Vader from, you know, movie characters, or Homer Simpson from famous cartoon TV series. And what I think it does extremely amazingly well is its ability to take an image and then bring it to life with consistency, and you actually have a lot of control about how you do that. But I really do think the best part is the text to video and the image to video. Those are my two favorite things. I think the text to video with the new 1.6 model especially is amazing, and it's just shows you how good it can read text now. And I'm very excited for how AI videos are going to develop this year. And then the AI image to video, again, really lovely. Thank you for watching. I hope you found it helpful. Let me know in the comments down below what you think of these images, the video series, if you've had the same problem as me as well. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.